Warm evening across the valley. Temperatures still in the mid to upper 80s in the west, low to mid 80s in the east, and then Harlingen, the one cool spot, relatively speaking, at 79 degrees tonight. 81 in Port Isabel and in Raymondville at this hour. Same thing in the Brownsville area. The dew points still in the upper 60s and in some places in the low 70s, so they are creeping upwards slowly but surely. We're going to get a little higher on the muggy meter tonight than what we were this afternoon when it was in the low 60s, and by morning probably a little bit higher than that. So humidity kind of creeping back in. Still under clear skies. Temperatures tonight will bottom out in the low 70s in most of the valley. A little warmer Brownsville and South Padre where it should be around 78 degrees. Then tomorrow back up in the 90s. Cooler at the island, 89, warmer in the west, 102 in Rio Grande City, but sunny skies means a hot day across just about all of the valley once again, and your rain chance stays at about 5% or less. The next 3 days all stay above average. The norm is 94. We're going 96, 97, and 95. Records all up over 100 degrees. Rest of Texas tonight, you notice some showers and thunderstorms beginning to show up in parts of the state. That's an upper air disturbance. It's going to work its way across Texas, but probably lose all its strength long before it gets to us, even though it stays on the map as it comes this way. Moves into the middle part of Texas tomorrow night into Saturday, even Saturday into Sunday as it sneaks by. Could be a couple of green blips show up on Sunday, but for the most part, it should be yet another dry day across the area. This disturbance pretty weak, so not going to have nearly the impact that the one earlier in the week had. Instead, this one will go by almost unnoticed, and dry air should pour in behind it. You see at the surface, though, the southeast wind pushes some more moisture in for early next week, so an isolated sea breeze shower can't be completely ruled out. Here's a look at future track. It's a quiet night tonight, and then tomorrow sunny. It's hard to find a cloud on this map anywhere. Overnight tomorrow night, patchy clouds try to show up, but even that, for the most part, it's clear. On all the way into Sunday, I think we see just partly to mostly sunny skies with just patchy clouds overhead and a less than 5% chance of a shower. We're mainly dry tomorrow. We got that thing way down near the bottom. There's, like today, a shower maybe in one location, but most of the area stays dry. Saturday we're dry, and Sunday again maybe a stray shower, but most areas are rain free. If you're headed to the beach, here's what's going on there in the morning. Temperatures warm up quickly from the 70s into the 80s. Southeasterly winds at about 6. The UV index is extreme. The rip current risk is low. The surf temperature stands at 83 degrees. Your UV index again remains extreme. By afternoon, temperatures in the 80s, and by tomorrow evening still about 82. Southeasterly winds at 12. There are the tides, 2 of them. Seas 2 to 3 feet of moderate chop. Bay temperature stands at 87. So tonight 72 for a low, mainly clear, not as muggy as you might expect, but that'll change tomorrow. Mostly sunny, a dry day, a high of 96. Here we go. See some 90s all the way through the forecast period. Nighttime lows stay in the 70s. Those come up, meaning the humidity's coming up. Chance of rain stays at a minimum. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.